Hello guys and hello SQL lovers. Today I want to show you how to correctly extract and select report from database to Excel. I use AdventureWorks database and production scheme and product table. I filtered the weight is not null because we will pay attention to this area. Why? The weight column is decimal type. In SQL Server, decimal type separate data with dot, but in the Excel, this decimal separated by comma. That's why during the exporting data we get problem about that. Let to explain you. For example, we can copy the data with this function, copy with headers, and let's open new Excel report. Let's name it that, and we can paste here with Ctrl+V, Ctrl+V, and let's design our table. This count is not acceptable like numeric. These counts, and also we met the problem in there with the number. Which number? 2 point, you can see 2.24 showed there as second month of 24th year as a data, the date. That's a problem. How we can prevent this? We have two choices. One of them is that we can mark all, change data type as a text, then to paste there our data. For example, copy with headers, paste. You can see this is the numbers, but these numbers the Excel cannot calculate them because there are text. We can replace dot with comma. I press Ctrl+H, find dot, replace with comma, replace all, replaced. Then I change the data to general. Let's check. You can see the Excel can count, summarize, and found average of these selected numbers. One of the way is that, but we have another way, because maybe our data count is more than 100,000, or for example about the 1 million, and we cannot do this way, copy and paste. We should save the result as CSV type RPT. I saved my result as CSV file. You can see our file is there. Then I can do this from the file text.csv. I can load all the data from CSV file. I choose my CSV file. Then what I should do? Transform data. I entered there. I came to my column, the weight, which is decimal. You can see the CSV file cannot accept dot. That's where all data show that, and it's wrong. First we will change all the data to the text. In general it shows about 200 columns, but the step was written there, and that's why it will accept all the another data. We changed all the text. We replace again dot, replace with comma. Press OK, and you can see all our data separated by comma. Then we change data type to decimal number. You can see applied steps is written there, and when we press the button close and load, the all data this column will change. Let's check our weight column. You can see again the data can count, summarize, and form average, and data type is general. That's all. Thank you. See you next video.